Hello everybody, welcome back to ScubaTY, and in this video it's going to be a little bit different. Instead of going on an actual scuba dive, I'm actually snorkeling in the mangroves of St. John. I hope you enjoyed last week's video on the Untitled dive wreck, but if you haven't watched it, please click up here. So in this video I will be snorkeling in the mangroves in St. John, part of the US Virgin Islands. And the place that I am snorkeling at is called Hurricane Hole. These mangroves are where fish, coral, and creatures spawn, and then they usually live their early lives here, and when they're big enough they go out into the open ocean. Mangroves are perfect for juvenile fish and creatures to live in because there are no large currents and no large predators that live in the mangroves. Alright, I'll stop wasting your time and we can go into the video right now. Thank you. Welcome to the Mangrove Snorkel in Hurricane Hole. As you can see here, there are small silvery baitfish, and also the yellowfish is a juvenile schoolmaster, which is a type of snapper. In these mangroves you can see lots of seagrass. We were snorkeling in about 3 to 5 feet of shallow water. In the corner of your screen, you could see a map of the island of St. John, and boxed in red is Hurricane Hole. In the distance, I believe I saw a honeycomb cowfish. I then spotted a juvenile barracuda. These fish can grow up to 6 feet in length. That spidery looking thing on the right side of the screen is an arrow crab. I actually got it to crawl on my hand, which I then returned to safety. I journeyed to the seagrass and noticed a sea cucumber with some seagrass on top of it. I then went back to the mangroves and noticed a larger barracuda that swam quickly away from me. Two barjacks then swim quickly nearby. I then noticed the third barracuda of the day. I believe that these barracuda live here because there's lots of small prey and no predators. I then spotted a bristle worm on the branch of one of the trees. Bristle worms have actually survived 5 mass extinctions. Before I exited the snorkel, I noticed a cushioned sea star in the seagrass. Thank you for watching the video. I know it's a little different because it's a snorkel instead of a dive, but next video will consist of me scuba diving the first time ever in the Pacific in La Jolla, San Diego. Thank you again for watching, and please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is ScubaTY, and I'll see you again in the next video.